Hi, I'm Dr. Kays, and I'd like to welcome you to my office. When you arrive here, you'll be welcomed by our front office staff members, Karen and Karen, two of the nicest people you'll ever meet. There are no sign-in sheets here because they know all of our patients, and you will feel at home since they'll have gotten to know you even before you came in.
You won't be waiting very long in our reception area since we try hard to stay on schedule, but we still think it's important that the area is welcoming and reflects our artistic pride. Note the paintings and stained glass panels created by Dr. Kays.
We know that patients want to have the assurance that the functional areas of the office reflect cleanliness and efficiency. Our sterilization room, lab, and emergency equipment bay are open and visible for our patients to view. I'd like to tell you about our CAD/CAM computerized crown system. With this technology, we are able to provide same-day service to our patients with no temporaries and with the ability to design and personalize crowns right here in our office. After we shape the tooth in the mouth, we use this laser camera to create a virtual model in the computer. The computer then generates a design which we can modify if we need to. We then send it to our in-house laboratory for fabrication. In the lab, the crown starts out as a ceramic block, which is then shaped in the mill to look like a tooth. The crown is then characterized and glazed to make it uniquely yours. It is then fired in the kiln to harden the porcelain. The finished crown is now ready to be cemented. In our surgical suite, we are equipped to provide implant placement and restoration. Other technologies include Velscope, soft tissue fluorescence to aid in oral cancer screening. One of the highlights of the office is our air abrasion system. With this system, I can complete many fillings without the use of traditional drilling and with no shots. Thank you for watching our video. We hope to see you soon.